Hello everyone, this is Mridul Gupta and welcome back to my channel Gyani Baba. So guys, first of all a very big thank you for showing your support as my channel has completed 250 subscribers. I know it's not a very big value but it means a lot to me. So guys, today in this video I will show you how to convert our pen drive into RAM. Yes guys, you heard exactly correct. Today in this video I am going to show you how to convert your pen drive into RAM. And believe me guys, it's super simple. It's just a matter of 5 clicks. So without wasting much time, let's start our video. Before starting the video, I would like to request you all that if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, then do subscribe it now, because I upload videos related to technologies on a daily basis. So guys, one more request I would like to do, that please watch the video till end, because at the end of the video I will tell one disadvantage of the method which I am going to show right now. So guys, as I already said that converting a pen drive into RAM is just a matter of 5 clicks. So the click number 1, right click on the pen drive. Click number 2, go to the properties. Here as you can see that the size of the pen drive is 1.86 GB and it's nearly empty. The free space is also 1.86 GB. So what I will do, I will convert this whole pen drive into RAM and I will only leave 100 MB for storage purpose. Rest of the size I will use it for RAM. So click number 3, go to the ready boost option. Now click number 4, click on this use this device option. Here you can adjust the size of your RAM according to your need. Now the click number 5, hit OK, and bam, you are done. Now you have successfully converted your pen drive into RAM. Let me just show you. Here you can see here is the option for ready boost. This ready boost is nothing but our temporary RAM. Its size is 1.76 GB and the rest 100 MB is left for our storage purpose. You can adjust your size according to your need, so nothing to worry. Now you must be thinking, if you want to convert back your temporary RAM into a pen drive, then what you have to do. So let me tell that one thing also, and that too is very simple. So what you have to do, just right click on your pen drive, go to the properties, go to the ready boost option and just click do not use this device and hit OK, and then you have converted your temporary RAM back into a pen drive. Let me open this one. You can see that the ready boost option is now gone and the pen drive is again free. As you can see, 1.86 GB is free. So this is how you can convert your pen drive into a RAM and temporary RAM back to a pen drive. So guys, as I already said that the method of converting our pen drive into RAM has one disadvantage. So the disadvantage is that if you convert the pen drive into RAM on daily basis, then the life of the pen drive gets shortened. For example, if a normal pen drive works for 5 years, then if you convert your pen drive into RAM into a daily basis, then the life of the pen drive will get short. Say for example, it will get reduced to 2 to 3 years instead of working for 5 years. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have liked my video. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.